Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Luna Classic update for Saturday 25th of June. And I really want to ask, can someone wake the hell out of this coin? What the hell is going on? You've just been moving sideways for the past few days and nothing much is going on. But you see, the silent you are, the more you're building onto something way more serious. Now, what is this? It's probably a boring movement, sideways. Could take a little bit longer, even potentially, in that before it starts to move to the upside. But I would like to say that when things go silent like this, then something is really cooking. Okay, when you see something really boring, probably then it's really cooking something. What I actually did notice is an inverse head and shoulder in the making. So let's do this. The boring movement and the boring candlestick, they do something. Never ever underestimate the boring movement of a coin, because this was like your left shoulder. You can see a head is printed here and you're printing it right shoulder right over there. So if we do put it that way, then you're looking for a neckline that has to come in somehow, and that neckline is going to be this one right over there, something like that. I would like actually to bring in the neckline here, and very soon you're gonna find the answer to the direction of where Luna Classic is gonna move, and that time is no more than 2 days maximum. So by today, tomorrow, you're looking to pop to the upside. Okay, so to me this almost looks like a bull pennant, and you might be looking for Luna Classic to go from there to there, and this one pops up, so it's gonna actually pop all the way to 6296, and that's another resistance, of course, because of this line right over there. It's gonna be this resistance, but that can be broken as well. I'm gonna tell you why. Because basically you're gonna be looking for inverse head and shoulder technical target to the upside. So from the top here to the bottom, you're looking for nearly 7048, and that's gonna be an amazing price increase from there to there. That's going to be like 19% to the upside, right? Now, big stop loss should be placed down here to 5618, because if you come down to take out this level, then you're really destroying the right shoulder. Do you get my point here? Then you're really destroying the right shoulder and creating some weird patterns, and we're gonna have to wait until we see what kind of patterns we're gonna get in the future. And that's it for this update, guys. Quick one, and I'm gonna see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.